Hello everyone, my name is Gurmeet Singh. Everyone's using AI now, but some people get amazing results and the others get junk. The difference? Prompt engineering. In the next 5 minutes with no jargon, I'll show you how to talk to the AI the right way. Let's get into it. So what is prompt engineering? A prompt is simply the instruction you give an AI. And prompt engineering is the skill of writing that instruction clearly so you get exactly the result you want. You ask, the AI responds, and you refine. The quality of the answer depends almost entirely on how you ask. Why does this matter so much? Here's the thing. Same AI, same question, but a better prompt gives a far better answer. Ask it write about dogs and you get a generic rambling paragraph that could mean anything. But ask it write 3 fun facts about Labradors for kids, 1 line each. And you get exactly what you wanted, ready to use. Most great prompts have 4 parts. First, role, who the AI should be, like acts as a travel guide. Second, task, what you actually want done, like plan a 3-day trip to Goa. Third, context, the details it needs, like budget travel, love beaches. And fourth, format, how to shape the answer, like give me a day by day list. Now, 3 techniques that will instantly level you up. 1. Give it a role, like you are an expert teacher. This sharpens the tone and the depth. 2. Show examples, give it a sample of what you want, and the AI will copy the pattern. And 3. Ask it to think. Just add think step by step for tougher problems and it reasons far more carefully. Here's a simple formula to remember. Role plus task plus context plus format. Put it all together and it sounds like this. Act as a fitness coach. Create a 7-day beginner workout. I am 40 with no equipment. Show it as a table. 4 simple ingredients, 1 powerful prompt. Let's avoid some common mistakes. Don't be vague or one word. Don't cram 5 tasks into a single prompt. Don't assume it already knows your context. And don't give up after just one try. Instead, be specific about the result. Do 1 clear task at a time. Add the context it needs and refine with follow-up questions. So why is this a real skill? Because the better you prompt, the more AI can do for you. It boosts your productivity, turning hours of work into seconds. It's becoming an in-demand skill across every industry, every single industry. And the best part, it's completely free to learn. No coding needed, just practice and a little curiosity. So let's put it all together. Prompt engineering is just asking AI clearly to get great results. Remember the formula: role, task, context, format. Show examples, set a persona and refine until it's right. If this helped you talk to AI better, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss the next 5-minute explainer. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.